Alright guys, I'm inside H Mart. Let's look at some of this meat. I think I want some rabbit. There's some black sheep. Let's grab one of these rabbit right here. It's like rabbit from China. That looks like legit. Alright, so I'm gonna need some Daikon. Otherwise known as white carrot. We got some radish right here. I'll get some of these Daikon. It's looking cold and chilly outside. Let me warm you guys up with this special rabbit recipe. So what you see in front of you is the rabbit I bought from my local H Mart. 1846. It says right here, rabbit from China, $7.99 a pound. That has been defrosted. I still need to cut it up. So here are the ingredients. I am going to add some of these red potatoes, some basil, jalapenos for that spiciness effect and flavoring, along with some cut up ginger and garlic cloves. Yeah, I'm gonna throw in some daikon, otherwise known as white carrot. Supposedly that has the same health benefits as ginseng, but a lot cheaper. All right, and now I'm gonna add some of this red wine and pink sea salt for simple flavoring. I want to bring out that natural rabbit sweetness and taste, gamey taste. And I don't want to overpower with too much spices. So let's go ahead and do some preparation. Basically, I'm gonna peel the daikon and cut it up into thin slices. And I'm gonna cut up the rabbit into probably 6 to 8 portions. So I'll be using a serrated knife because it's easier to cut along the joints. And I'm planning on cutting it one right here, here, and separate the legs. So you just want to cut along the main body components. Let's say a big chunk right here. So for like each meal, you just have to plan accordingly. See how this cuts easily through the flesh and also the bones. Okay, so we got one component right here, and then probably another right here and right here. So in the meantime, I'll be using my GE3 Crockpot Buffet Slow Cooker. I've had this for many years. I don't use it often, probably once a year, and it's perfect kitchen appliance to use for slow cooking. You can cook it, leave the house, don't have to worry about looking at the gas or stove. So I have it heated on high, and I pour in some boiled water right there just to get it warmed up. All right, so now I'm gonna put my ingredients. See, I have my rabbit right here. I actually ended up cutting into 6 big chunks. All right, so I'm gonna lay that on the bottom. Here we go. Let's put all 6 of these in here. You know what? I'll just pour it in here. It's gonna be a tight fit, I think. All right. See? Okay. Now I'm gonna put in my ingredients, which would be my daikon. I only use a little bit. See? I probably cut off like 4 inches. Put that in there. Okay. And then I'm gonna put my potatoes. Red potatoes. This variety of different ones. Okay. Now I'm gonna put in my spices. And for the basil, I highly recommend peeling off with just the leaves. I actually got these from my local pho restaurant. A lot of people don't eat it, so I decided to just take it home and use it. All right, and now it's the fun part. I'm gonna put plenty of this strawberry wine. This gonna bring out some sweetness and some alcohol flavor into it. Just a generous amount like there. Okay, and I'm gonna put in some of this Himalayan pink sea salt. The flavor in this is amazing. I use it a lot for air fryer chicken wings. I think that's a good amount right there. Now here's an important step. We want to make sure it's pretty much covering the full content of it. So you want to probably add some more water to it. Okay, but not too much because you're going to bring out some natural juices from the rabbit and the vegetables. So I think that's a good amount right there. I think that's about 80%, 85%. Yeah, I'm going to cover it and I have it on high. I'm going to cook it for about 6 to 7 hours. Again, I'm not going to be home to watch this, so that's what's great about having an electric crock pot. I can have it cooking and not be home because these are designed to be safe to use without supervision. Alright guys, let's check up on the rabbit stew. Just got home from shopping, found a whole bunch of deals at Burlington. So this has been cooking on high for well over 7 hours. It's dinner time. Let's see how it turned out. Wow, it's smelling really good, guys. Look at the Daikon. Oh, that's soft right there. Let me go ahead and scoop up the rabbit. Oh, the potatoes look well done. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that fall off the bone rabbit meat. Let's go ahead and plate that and see how it tastes. Oh man, it smells good and looks good. Here it is, plated. Doesn't that look beautiful? Let me take a quick sip of this soup because it has the red wine and all the flavoring. Here we go. Oh man, that's enlightening and rich. Oh, so delicious. See, the reason I didn't need to add any oil because the rabbit has a natural body oil. So that's sometimes cooking, you just don't need to add oil. All right, so let's go ahead and dig into the rabbit daikon. Soft. Look at the red potatoes. Real good flavoring. Oh yeah, it's soft. And of course the rabbit. Look at that succulent pieces of meat. Look at that rabbit. Wow. Oh, let's try this big piece right here. Yeah. Whoa, look at this. Mmm. So good. Rabbit. High in protein. That's the good protein. Flavor is amazing. Mmm. So good. So if you never had rabbit, it's basically like a chicken with a slight gaminess and smoother texture. Not like breaks apart like chicken. So that's how all I can describe rabbit. It's a delicious, very easy to make meal, and it makes great use of a slow cooker crock pot. I highly recommending using more of a crock pot. If you've never tried rabbit, now is your chance to try it. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Until next time, take care of yourselves and stay healthy.